How to fix a Windows taskbar that has mysteriously disappeared. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix the Windows taskbar that has mysteriously disappeared. So without any delay, let's start with the video on how we can fix that. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing is open up your desktop, and one of the reasons why it may have disappeared is because you have turned on that option where it disappears without you moving your mouse. So you're just going to move your mouse and you'll be able to see your taskbar. You just right click on it and head over to the taskbar settings there. And when you open up your settings, you'll be able to see this. So turn on this lock the taskbar so that it won't disappear again. And you can see this automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. If this option is turned on, just turn it off so that you won't be having that issue again. So after that, below there are two options as well that says automatically hide the taskbar in the tablet mode and use small taskbar buttons. Just turn all of these options so that it becomes more convenient for you. And the next thing is you may just look for any kind of update is if available for your device or Windows. If any kind of Windows update is available, just update your Windows. And the last thing is you may just restart your device. So therefore, just go on with the process of updating your Windows. If there is any Windows update available, just go to the taskbar and look for any Windows update if there is any available, and update your Windows. After that is done, you may just restart your device and your problem should be fixed. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.